Welcome to Techlearners. In today's lesson, we will be talking about binary search using collections class. Yes, this is the fourth lecture into the series of binary search. In the first lecture, we had talked about how to write a program in Java of binary search using regular way with loops, conditional statements. In the second lecture, we talked about binary search using recursion. In my previous lecture, I talked about how we can do binary search with the method available into the array class. And in today's lecture, we will be talking about how we can do binary search using the method that is available into the collections class. So before we move further, let's have a very quick look onto the binary search. As we all know that binary search is faster than the linear search and it works only on the sorted elements. Let's say if the list is of the elements like this, it has to be a sorted list, and if you want to search the element, let's say 32, then we will take the low index, high index and mid index into the series, and then we start comparing this element first with the mid element. Now this will result in three cases, as I've already told you to my previous lectures. If you want to know in detail how binary search works, how the algorithm works, then you can watch my binary search video, the simple binary search video, in which you will get all the details, all the algorithms, the way you can do the loops and conditional statements, everything. So we will compare first the search element with the mid element, and if the element matches, then we simply return the result that the element matches at mid index. Otherwise, if it is greater than the mid element, then we take the right hand side list and now we do binary search on this. The third case, if this searching element is smaller than the mid element, then we'll take the left hand side list and we do binary search on this. So this is a simple concept of a binary search. Now let's talk about the binary search method that is available into the collections class. In this program, I'll be taking two things so that you have the idea of the binary search method of the collections class, and I'll also be using array list. So array list is another class that resides into the util package. Util is a very useful package for us. It contains lots of classes that are helpful for us. So this is another array list that is available into the util classes, and we can import the collections class that is also available into the util package. So let's have a list, let's say array list. We can create the array list with the help of the array list class. So this is the object of the array list, and inside the object of array list we simply use the add method to add the elements to this particular array list. So we will be adding all the elements into this array list one by one. So this is 1, 2, 6, 12 and 24. Remember, this can be done with the help of the previous methods as well. You can take simple array also, you can take user input using the scanner class. So you can do in the previous way also, but this is another way you can create a list. I thought that this is a new way I should tell you how we can create the array list also. So in this way we can create the array list and can add elements into this array list. So once we have added all the elements, we need to accept the search element from the user. Here I have a by default used 6 as my searching element. You can accept this from the user as in the previous cases. As in my previous video, I have told you how you can do this. So here I have taken this 6 as my searching element. So I'll be using this binary search method that is available into the collections class. So this can be done with the help of the collections. This is the class, using the dot object operator and then calling the binary search method of the collections class. This method accepts two inputs like a binary search method into the arrays class. It also accepts two inputs, one the list and the second is the element we want to search in the list, and it will return depending upon if the element found, then it will return the index that can be stored into integer variable. Otherwise it will return -1. So if the element does not found anywhere into the list, it will return -1. Now we simply need to compare this, check this whether this is -1 or it is not. So if search is not equal to -1, that means the element present into the list, and now we can simply print the index with the help of the search, or we can print the location with the help of search plus 1. Otherwise, if search is -1, that means the element not present into the list. As we can see here, we have taken 6, so you can see the 6 is present here at index 2 and at location 3. So this should print element present at location 3. So okay, this has to be n, present at location 3. Now let me compile and show you the output of this program. So let me compile, and you can see the element present at location 3. Now I hope you have understood this binary search method that is available into the collections class. We have gone through the 4 methods of binary search with the help of the loops, with the help of the recursion, with the help of arrays class, and now with the help of the collections class. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.